Y'all ever wonder what red zinger tea is made out of? Well, I'm about to show you what it's made out of. This is Hibiscus Roselle. It is a tropical perennial that produces these calyxes here that is used for tea. It's very high in vitamin C and it has a tart cranberry-like flavor. It's super easy to grow here in Florida, and I highly recommend it for your food forest. I have been harvesting all of my Roselle calyxes here for tea. So those are doing all right. Got some more to harvest. I'll grab those later. Hibiscus tea is actually made out of something called Roselle calyxes, or some people call them Jamaican sorrel, cranberry hibiscus, and they have a real tart flavor to them. So basically all you do is you pop these guys off and then dry them out. What you do is you just take these, pop them off after they've flowered, and you make yourself a little tea with them when they're dry. You peel off the outside edges, and inside there's a big seed pod that you don't want. But this is what makes this your cranberry hibiscus tea. And it is so good and tasty. Cheers.